Imagine running longer, faster, and pain-free. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to refine your running form and become the best version of yourself as a runner. Let's get started. When it comes to running, many people focus on speed, distance, or time, but they often overlook the mechanics of how they're actually moving. Good running technique isn't just about looking smooth or professional, it's about optimizing every step to reduce unnecessary energy expenditure and protect your body. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about posture. Posture is the foundation of good running form. Start by standing tall, with your head up, shoulders relaxed, and chest open. Your back should be straight but not rigid. Think of it as maintaining a slight forward lean from your ankles, not your waist. This forward lean helps use gravity to your advantage and keeps your momentum moving in the right direction. Many runners make the mistake of slouching or leaning too far forward, which can cause unnecessary strain on the back and neck. Practice maintaining this posture even when you're not running, so it becomes second nature. Next, let's discuss foot strike. Your foot strike refers to the part of your foot that makes contact with the ground. Ideally, you want to aim for a mid-foot strike, where your foot lands directly under your body. A heel strike, where your heel hits the ground first, can lead to overstriding and increase the impact on your knees. On the other hand, a forefoot strike can strain your calves and Achilles tendon if done excessively. A balanced mid-foot strike allows for a smooth transition from landing to pushing off, reducing impact and improving efficiency. Your cadence, or the number of steps you take per minute, is another crucial element of good technique. A common benchmark is 180 steps per minute, but this can vary depending on your running pace and body mechanics. The key is to avoid overstriding by taking shorter, quicker steps. This reduces the braking force on each step, allowing you to glide forward more effortlessly. If you're not sure about your cadence, try counting your steps for 30 seconds during a run and doubling the number. Now let's focus on arm movement. Your arms might seem secondary to running, but they play a significant role in maintaining balance and rhythm. Keep your arms bent at a 90-degree angle, with your hands relaxed. Avoid clenching your fists, it wastes energy. Your arm swing should come from your shoulders, not your elbows, and they should move straight forward and back, not across your body. This forward motion complements your leg movement and helps propel you forward. Breathing is often overlooked but can make a world of difference in your running efficiency. Practice diaphragmatic breathing, where you breathe deeply into your belly rather than shallowly into your chest. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, aiming for a steady rhythm. Many runners find a 3-to-2 ratio, 3 steps while inhaling and 2 steps while exhaling, to be effective for maintaining consistent oxygen intake. Your core strength is another game changer for running technique. A strong core stabilizes your body and helps you maintain good posture throughout your run. Incorporate exercises like planks, Russian twists, and leg raises into your workout routine to build a solid foundation. Remember, your core isn't just your abs, it includes your back, hips, and glutes, all of which play a role in keeping you steady and powerful. Let's move on to stride length. A common misconception is that longer strides equal faster running. In reality, overstriding increases the impact on your joints and makes your running less efficient. Focus on a shorter, more controlled stride that aligns with your cadence. Imagine your feet landing softly underneath your body with each step. Speaking of softness, how you land matters. Avoid pounding the ground with each step. Instead, aim for a light, quiet landing. This reduces impact and helps you conserve energy. Think of running as a series of controlled, fluid motions rather than a forceful activity. Don't forget about your head position. Your head should remain upright and neutral, with your gaze focused on the horizon. Looking down at your feet or too far ahead can throw off your alignment and create tension in your neck and shoulders. Shoes are another critical component of running technique. Make sure you're wearing the right shoes for your foot type and running style. Visit a specialty running store to get a gait analysis and find the best fit for you. Proper shoes provide support, cushioning, and stability, all of which contribute to better technique. As you refine your running technique, it's important to listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, take a step back and evaluate your form. Sometimes small tweaks can make a big difference.